Hi everyone! Today we continue to develop our browser online game, and in this video I will show you what I did. I did several changes. I add new endpoint for getting fleets. Firstly, I change my fleet to fleets because we can have several fleets, not only one. So it will be right. So after that, I added new method to add my fleets. I add function get fleets, and in this function I just call new endpoint API fleets with city ID, and it's a get endpoint, and we just call function get in fleet controller. And here we just get city ID, after that we get city, and we get fleets and fleet details. So in city I create new method, new function fleets with relation to fleet. So it returns fleets in the city, in the current city. And after that I just get all fleet IDs, because in my fleets table I don't have a field like fleet details ID or something like this. Yes, and I just get fleet IDs, and after that by fleet IDs I get fleet details with static function get fleet details. This function returns me all fleet details with fleet ID. So after that I just return all my fleets in current city and all fleet details for all fleets in current city. So we can see our API fleets. So yeah, we got fleets and fleet details, and we have all necessary fields. Yes, and we have all necessary fleet details. So fleet details just contain fleet ID, worship ID, and Qt of worship ID. So for example, for fleet 1 we have three rows, 3 entries, yes, with different worship ID and different Qt. So, and with my React application app TSX, I just call get fleets function and get all my fleets and set it here. So, and now I need to print all my fleets. So I will do it somewhere here, for example here, and I will do it only if I have fleets and fleets length more than 0. So in this case I will return my fleets panel with all my fleets. So fleets panel will be rendered on all pages. I mean that, for example, if I press building component, so I will have buildings and fleets in the top. On warships I will have warships and fleets on the top, something like this. So here I need to return my HTML. Yes, and here I don't need padding left, I don't need calls. I think that I need just one column. So I will call this column as column fleets, for example. Yes, I will add something like this: column fleets, margin bottom, and background. So, and here now I will just print fleet information. So city ID, I will map all my fleets, of course, and I will return div with just small information about my fleets. So fleet, for example, city ID, target city ID, fleet, target city ID, and for example, what else? Fleet, task type, for example. Yes, yeah. Okay, we'll check it now. So yeah, we update. And we got 3 fleets with city ID and target city ID, but we didn't got task. So I will check it right now. Fleet task ID, not target ID, but fleet task ID. Okay. And of course I need to change my interface because I made mistake. It's not a task type with T task, it's fleet task ID, which is just a number. And here I will comment this row for now. So I will update it, and yeah, I got all information about my fleets. So, and now I need to refactor my app TSX component because it's very big, but I will not do it on the video because it's not very interesting. I will do it later without a video. So, and in the next video I will show what I got. It's a small video today. I showed you some changes which I did. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, press a like button, leave a comment if you have something to say, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.